Hello, welcome fellow traders. AMP Futures here, presenting another how-to video. In this video, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to access the local paper trader connection using the TradingView software. Now, the local paper trader connection is essentially going to allow you to access a demo account that's built into the TradingView platform. This is a very common inquiry that we get here at the AMP Futures Help Desk. A trader might be trading live. Perhaps you want to go back to the drawing board and practice some of the ideas on a demo account. So let's go ahead and show you how to access the paper trader connection. So right now, if I open up my trade panel at the bottom here, you can see that I'm currently connected to my AMP Futures live account. The first thing we're going to want to do is log out of our live connection. We're going to hit the drop-down menu, and within the context menu here, we're going to select Log Out of AMP. Notice now the first icon on the far left, you'll see where it says Paper Trading. We're going to click this, and all you need to do at this point is hit Connect. Give it a couple seconds, and you'll pretty much be instantly connected to the Paper Trader connection. You can see on the far right corner, it says Account Balance. You can also see here, it says Paper Trading, and you can also see here, it actually says Paper Trading as well. So this is visual confirmation that you are successfully connected to the Paper Trader connection, and now you could be well on your way and placing some demo trades. And this is how you connect to the Paper Trading connection using the TradingView software.